Hey everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I have a collection of duochrome lipsticks that I can't wait to swatch for you. So this is a brand I've only ever seen on Amazon. It's called Maydeer. They're called Chameleon lipsticks. I don't have all of them, but some of them are similar, and some of them I really wanted to try after loving the rest of them for a period of time. So I have 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to try to switch to overhead and actually swatch them on my arm. They're really good top coats, and some of them are more pigmented than others. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. It says what the color shift is supposed to be on the site, and that is pretty accurate. This is like a purple to gold, and as you can see, it's pretty pigmented. This next one, number 2, I absolutely love. It's one of those like green to brown terracotta shades. Oh, I love this as a topper. This is another very pigmented one. It's purple to blue. It looks like you have a fancy lipstick, like a weird color lipstick on. When you wear this, it's not that much of a topper, but it is gorgeous. Then we're going down to 6. And one of the shifts to this is like a goldy bronze, but I'm gonna wait to tell you the other kind of shift because it's very similar to the last one I have, and I honestly can't tell them apart unless they're right next to each other. But this is number 6. 7 is just a straight up gold topper. It's gold to bronze. It's beautiful and I love it. This is number 8. This is probably the one I've used the most other than this brown and green one. It's a pink to gold. It's a beautiful topper. I know I keep saying that, but my gosh, this one and this one are my faves. And then this is number 9. I laugh a little bit because I honestly still to this day cannot tell if these two colors are the same. 9 looks a little darker right now. But I posted a short showing these two to be like, are these the same color? Like, they look similar in the tube. I think this one is more purple and this one is more pinky red, but I don't know. You'll have to tell me what you think. So hopefully some of the duochrome properties show up. I'll try to get it in a different lighting as well. Here's the lipsticks in my bathroom, which is a very bright overhead. I'm actually not seeing much like duochrome on the camera here. Let's try something else. This is them in natural light by my window. The only one I'm really picking up on is that brown to green. I did kind of accidentally end up going outside, so this is like real, all the way being outside. It's cloudy, but it's natural light. Okay, and then I randomly found out that under my stove hood light, things tend to sparkle a whole lot. I don't know if you're seeing the shift, but this is the last idea I had, so hopefully you can see some sparkle. They kind of do have a good smell, but then occasionally it kind of smells like paint thinner. And I haven't tracked whether that's like one over the other or just like, I don't know, maybe I'm picking up different scents at different times. But let me know if you've tried these or if you have the colors that I don't have. Let me know what you think about those two that are very similar, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.